Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Talib? All of you are late today. As you all know very well that today is the quiz day.
Miss, what is the email address?
Sorry?
को इसमें कह रहे हैं your email address.
email address डालिए अपन.
नाम?
Enter your email address. Enter your email address.
लिंक भेज दे, मेरे पास नहीं आई, मैं अभी एंटर हुआ हूँ.
Yes, miss, मेरे पास.
Now look, Walaikum salam. Now look at the chat box. I shared a link over there.
मिस आ गई लिंक.
Okay, start your quiz. Hurry up.
भाई ईमेल एड्रेस बताएगा.
Beta, write down your email address. You can write your parents' email address also.
ईमेल एड्रेस क्या है? ईमेल एड्रेस पूछ रही है टीचर.
और
महीना टीचर ने मना किया
है?
मेरा ईमेल एड्रेस.
Start your quiz, everyone. If you have any problem, so you can ask me. Write down your email address, your full name, class, and date, and come and click on the next button. Then the quiz will open with you. Okay, everyone.
मैं लिंक भेजे ना.
Yusra, can you please let me know you are in defaulter? Yusra.
क्या करूं?
Yusra.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम.
भाई मेरा टेस्ट चला ना.
मंथ तो जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई 7th.
पहले लाइट तो बोलो ना.
डेट है आज 21. क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट.
मैं लिंक भेज दे.
I shared a link.
कुछ करना है.
मिस मेरे पास नहीं आई, लिंक भेज दे.
Again check. Again check.
यस
the
मिस
chat
आ
box.
गई.
Okay.
यस मिस आ गई.
क्या करना है?
Good.
Look at the switch here free and write a name of the processor.
Beta, don't ask with each other. Just do yourself. Don't ask with each other. This is your quiz. Don't ask with your parent. Don't ask with your siblings. It is not allowed, everyone.
ये यहाँ से प्लस कर सकते हैं. ये क्या निकलेगा? और root which goes under downward the process of synchronization called duty cycle.
कभी नहीं रहा, ये भी नहीं कर रहा, वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा ये.
Okay, everyone. Start your quiz class.
आप फिर से एक दफा लिंक भेज दें.
I shared again. I have shared a link again, beta. Just check in your chat box.
मैं अपनी अम्मी से ईमेल एड्रेस पूछ रहा था.
Write down your email address. Just look at the quiz I am sharing with you.
Seeds need water to germinate. ये बात बताना. Seed needs water to.
अम्मी मेरे
Just look at the link I am sharing with you, class. See. Write down your email address.
ईमेल एड्रेस
Your first and last name, need your full name.
डॉक्टर मुमताज
When we see growth of seed, then show.
Because you can ask with your teacher, not with your parents. Okay, everyone, you can ask with your teacher.
The
only.
first
टीचर,
Yes.
आप क्या व्हाट्सएप पे भेज सकती हैं?
Who is speaking?
टीचर रिजा,
Okay, Rija.
in the correct color.
मिस आपने लिंक भेजी
वो नहीं रहा ना मेरे
Yes, Amna, I am again sharing. See in chat
ईमेल
box.
एड्रेस
I
है
am again sharing
5
a
ही
link.
बता दो,
ओके मिस आई गॉट इट
Okay.
यस मिस
5
आई
ही
गॉट
बता दो।
Those students who is asking with each other, I will not give you a marks.
वो टेस्ट कैसे
टीचर आप
करेंगे?
व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर दे।
Okay, wait, I am sharing. Just
दो
wait for a while.
चाहिए, दो डॉक्टर मुमताज जे आगे चाहिए, दो डॉट इन दो लेसा था।
Uh,
कर रहे हो ये?
yes, Rija. Rija, I have shared in WhatsApp group.
ओके टीचर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Have you got it? Have you got it, Rija?
छोड़ दो
यस यस आई हैव गॉट इट टीचर, आई गॉट इट।
Okay, start your quiz,
क्लास
everyone.
स्टार्ट की गई।
क्या है?
Start your quiz, everyone. If you have any query, just raise your hand and don't ask with each other. It is not allowed in a class.
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर प्लीज शेयर द लिंक।
Who is speaking?
टीचर मैं शेयर द लिंक कह रहा हूँ।
Okay, I again share. I again share. Yes.
मेरी मम्मा को ईमेल आईडी नहीं पता है, मेरे पापा को पता है, वो गए हुए ऑफिस अभी।
मिस मेरे बाबा, मिस
Yes. Yes,
मिस
beta. Yes.
मेरे अब्बू को
हाँ,
पता
ये
है
कर लो।
ईमेल एड्रेस और मेरी अम्मी को नहीं पता है।
कर लो।
सब बच्चा यही कहता है।
आफ्टर
मेरे पापा की खबर है, मुझे भी कहना।
Okay, just wait. If you don't know the email
हमसाल
address,
अपने पीछे देख हमसाल
if you don't know the email address, I am removing
जो
you.
ग्रो होता है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं?
I am removing. Who is asking? Who is? Excuse me. There is a parent who is helping their
Okay.
student. Kindly don't help with your child. Your child can ask only with me.
लिखो लिखो मी।
आप साल में समसाल
Bashir, have you opened your quiz?
भूख जाता है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं?
मैं सब अभी एक मिनट ईमेल एड्रेस से खोल।
अच्छा, and Abdullah Farhan. Have you opened your quiz?
MUM
Save your email addresses. Beta, save your email addresses.
मुमताज
हाँ क्या है ये?
डॉट न डालो और स्पेस भी ना कर।
If you want to ask any question, just raise your hand. Amsal, ask with me. Beta, if you have any query, you can ask with your teacher. I can help you. Okay? Just raise your hand if you want to ask any question. I will resolve your problem. In schools, you ask with, you don't ask with your parents, no? You have to ask with your teachers. Amsal, can you hear my voice? What I'm saying to you? Just ask to me.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Amsal. What is the problem with you?
Nothing, miss.
Why are you asking with your parents? If you have any confusion, you can ask me, Amsal. Your mic is unmuted.
No,
Mubashir?
miss, I didn't want to ask anything.
Okay, now don't ask it to anyone, just ask to me. I will resolve your problem. Okay? Arif,
Yes, miss.
कोई समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Okay. Do it and submit your quiz. Hurry up.
Okay, miss.
Mubashir. Mubashir.
जी मिस.
Have you opened your quiz?
Yes miss.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
Now start your quiz. Hurry up. If you have any query, just ask to me. Just raise your hand and ask to me. Ali Salman, do you want to ask any question?
Yes, मुझे ना क्या कहते हैं वो वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा.
Which one?
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay. Just wait. Number 6 is after the root has grown downwards, a small shoot grows upward towards light. This shoot is known as. एक रूट होती है जो डाउनवर्ड ग्रोथ करती है एंड अ शूट विच ग्रोथ अपवर्ड. तो उस रूट को हम क्या कहते हैं जो विच ग्रोथ अपवर्ड? व्हाट वी कॉल्ड इट? व्हाट वी कॉल दैट रूट विच ग्रोथ अपवर्ड? यस. What we call that root which grows upward? Okay, Ali. Ali.
Yes.
Have you
Yes,
got the point? What we call that root which grows upward?
I don't know, miss.
Yes, Sharada.
I have done.
You have done? Excellent.
Yes. Miss, I got it on 9 marks.
How many marks you have got?
9.
9 marks. After 15?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yes, Asrar?
मिस जो नंबर वो नंबर 5 वाले
Yes.
वो वाला उसमें बर्ड स्टार्ट मतलब
Which one, Asrar? Just tell me the number.
नंबर 5
When seed is placed into the soil, the first thing which happens in it.
Miss,
बर्ड
जब भी आप ये सीड को
मिस
soil में
बारिश
put करते
स्टार्ट हो
हो,
गई है
तो
फिर
what the
लाइट
first thing what happens in it?
मतलब
पहली चीज क्या होती है? सबसे पहले सीड जो है वाटर लेता है, टेक्स अप ऑक्सीजन लेता है, बर्स्ट अ पार्ट या सीड फॉरन से बर्स्ट हो जाता है या फिर स्प्लिट इनटू 2 पार्ट या सीड फॉरन से स्प्लिट हो जाता है. यूज कॉमन सेंस अगर दिस इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. When you place a seed into a soil, it's very easy question, Azhar. Okay. Yes, Arif. Yes, Dita.
टीचर क्वेश्चन
Question number.
क्या पूछे
Question number, बेटा.
टीचर क्वेश्चन पूछे
बारिश हो रही है जल्दी क्लास एंड करवा दीजिए लाइट चली जाएगी.
बेटा, if you have done your quiz, तो don't
Yes.
worry about it. अगर आपने क्विज कर लिया है तो don't worry. अगर आपकी लाइट चली गई तो देर नहीं. तो आपने क्विज कर लिया है ना?
Yes, miss.
मैंने टीचर
Yes, Arif. What do you want to ask?
खुला हुआ है.
नहीं टीचर मैं ये आज कर रहा था जो टीचर भी आप जो एक प्लांट दिखा रही थी टीचर उसका नाम क्या होता है जो आपने कल बताया था ये पी होता है.
Which plant you are asking about, बेटा? This one?
एक मिनट टीचर आप स्क्रीन शेयरिंग करा रही है मैं आपको दिखाता
Yes. This one?
हूँ. यस टीचर दिस वन
Beta, this is the picture. This is the picture. With the help of that picture, you will tell that what we call that
Oh.
part which grows
Yes.
upward. उस part को हम क्या कहते हैं जो upward grow करता है, ठीक है?
Teacher, roots.
Beta, don't tell me the answer. Just write your answer by yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Don't tell me the answer.
Okay.
ये पहले से ही पढ़ी हुई है।
Amna, have you done?
ये भी नहीं है ऐसे। That's nice. That's great.
Yes, Mubashir. जी रेजा. Yes, रेजा. Have you done?
आप मुझे 8 वाला समझा दें।
Number 8. Okay.
Yes.
Just wait. Number 8 is a young or baby plant of a seed is called. What we called a young or baby plant. I explained you in my germination of seed lecture. A young or baby plant is called. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Embryo, seedling या plumule. Select your best answer. Okay? Okay, Rija? Okay, Rija? Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron.
टीचर सीडलिंग
Hmm?
सीडलिंग को और को
Beta, I don't want to ask question with you. Just do it by yourself. Don't announce the answer in your live class. It is not allowed over here.
ओके
Just write down your answer. It is not allowed over here. Yes, Sinan. Yes, Sinan.
टीचर इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन picture 1 I have right germination, it is showing incorrect.
Beta, don't worry about it. I will check myself. Okay?
And teacher, a root which grows downwards in the
Beta,
process
don't
I-
announce the answer, Sinan. If you have any query, just message me privately. You know not that you are not allowed to announce your answer in live classes.
Teacher, in the spelling I have right A and it is showing I.
Beta, I will check myself. Just wait for a while. I have received responses from Sharaza. Sharaza ने कर लिया है, and Amsar have done, and Mohammed Sinan have done. Mohammed Sinan, why did you get 15 out of 9 or 9 out of 15?
Teacher, my two answers are correct. Teacher, one is correct because I have right germination and it is showing incorrect.
Because you have to write the complete process, na? Okay? So don't worry about it. I will give you the marks because your answer is right. Okay?
Teacher, a root which grows downwards.
Anaya have submitted. Okay. The spelling of radical is wrong, Sinan. Check your spelling.
टीचर एल आपने बताया था टीचर जब आप लेक्चर लिखवा रही थी.
Don't worry about it. I will not cut your marks of spelling. I will not cut the marks with spelling के marks मैं नहीं cut करूँगी. ठीक है? And Ali Salman have done. And Abdullah Danish have done. Yusra have done. Rija have done. Beta, just let me know the name of that. Who is he? ये किसका email address है जिसने K से नाम लिखा है? Who is he? From 6 Red. Just let me know the name of that person. Who is what their name with K? I don't know the name. The email address is arjoj@gmail.com. Who is he? Yes. I will unmute yourself. Just let me know who is he. Yes, Mubashir, have you done? Unmute yourself, everyone. Everyone, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, everyone.
आपकी जल्दी करना। अच्छा 18 बैठी।
Who is he who wrote their name with K?
No miss.
I'm sharing the screen. Yes. Just look at the picture over. Who is he? KZEM, I don't know. ask.j@gmail.com. Just write down your full name. Who is he?
मिस नंबर हेलो मिस आखिरी वाले का
Yes, Fatma, have you done? Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute yourself, everyone.
Teacher,
Hmm.
I don't understand. A young or baby plant of a seed is called a.
Number बोलिए बेटा. Sinan, just tell me the number.
Question number 8.
In question number 8, you will tell a young or baby plant. Baby plant को हम young plant भी कहते हैं. ठीक है? A young or baby plant of a seed is called a dash.
Teacher,
What we called it?
teacher lecture में तो आपने
Sinan, if you have any query, you can ask me in a private chat.
टीचर बहुत आसान है
Okay.
12 वाला टीचर नंबर 12 वाला
Number 12. Number 12 says for the process of seed germination, we can use a transparent glass and disposable glass also. It is very
Number 12.
easy. You will mark that it is true and false. For the process of seed germination, can you use a
टीचर
transparent
बिल्कुल
glass?
आखिरी वाली
Have you used now? Have you used transparent glass or not?
टीचर पता नहीं
Because what
टीचर मैंने कभी कर
असगर आपने एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म नहीं की थी असगर what did you do in that activity?
यस मिस
You used a transparent glass or not? Yes, Asgar.
आपकी बहुत आवाज टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
Now my voice is clear. Yes, Asgar.
मैं सब बताएं क्या वाला?
Beta, in the activity you used a transparent glass or not?
मैं देखा तो है लेकिन प्लांट उगते हुए नहीं देखा।
Beta, आप मुझे बताइए. I am asking that
प्लांट 2-3 मिनट में थोड़ी ना उगता है जो देख।
in the process of seed germination you can use a transparent glass. Now see my answer.
टीचर उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कम मार्क्स क्यों दिए? मैंने
Yes.
जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड लिखा, उसमें मेरा 1 मार्क्स काट दिया पहले वाले में। वो बिल्कुल सही है लेकिन
I will check answer myself and let you know everyone. Okay, I have received 16 responses, in which Asghar have done, and Humaira have done, and
मैंने भी कर लिया।
Abdullah Farhan have
2
done,
मार्क्स मेरे गलत।
Danish have done, and Arif, you are still doing? Arif,
यस मिस।
Arif, you are still doing?
व्हाट मिस?
Yes, I think all participants over here have done their quiz except Arif. Arif, you are still doing?
हाल टूट गया मेरा।
दानिश, आपने 2 बार कैसे अटेम्प्ट किया?
हाल टूट गया।
How can you attempt 2 times? Danish only 1 time can जो है एक मरतबा ही जो है आपका रिजल्ट जो आना चाहेगा।
अबे गिर गया था, आ गया हाथ से, पता नहीं क्या हो गया।
Arif, you have only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will not accept.
क्या है गाया ही बता रहा है।
After 5 minutes, I will not accept. Mubashir.
Yes, miss.
टीचर आप
Beta, I didn't receive your response yet.
Yes, I am coming.
What?
टीचर मेरे 4 मार्क्स फालतू के काटे। तो मैंने बिल्कुल सही लिखा था। पहले वाली तस्वीर और जो दूसरी वाली तस्वीर थी, दोनों में मेरे मार्क्स काट दिए उन्होंने।
Yes, Arif and Mubashir. You are only 2 which is still doing. After 5 minutes, I will not receive your responses. So time is up now, class.
कहीं देखा है।
Be ready for a quiz which will be taken by tomorrow from dispersal of seeds. Okay? From dispersal of seeds. आपने मेरी पूरा लेक्चर सुनना है which I have explained last week. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.